Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and staying safe in this time. I just want to go ahead and talk through with you the assignments for this week, what the general layout of the next 8 weeks are going to look like, and kind of the plan here from kind of here on out, and hopefully answer any common questions you guys might have here. So going forward here from April 20th on, the assignments that we post on Google Classroom here for Algebra 2 is to earn credit for second semester Algebra 2. And there's two ways that you're going to do that. There's two ways you're going to earn credit for semester 2 of Algebra 2. It's by completing the assignments that are posted to Google Classroom and showing us mastery of the skills that we are working on each week. Okay. And I'm going to go through and talk and explain what it means to show mastery. Kind of think of it like formative assessments. However, that's going to look very different because we're no longer in the classroom together. And so I'm going to talk through what the expectations are, what it kind of looks like, and hopefully give you some tips and some resources to help you. So again, expectation, make sure you're doing two things: completing the assignments posted and working towards showing me mastery of the learning targets that we're working on. This week, our goal is to show mastery of 723. And so we'll kind of look at what that is for this week here. So we understand that virtual learning is new. We understand it is very different than learning in a class. Some of us are going to excel at this, and some of us are going to really struggle. And we are here to help you as much as what we can. And one tip I have for you guys is to make a schedule of when are you going to study and what are you going to study, or assignments you're going to complete. And so I have just an example right here. So let's say for the week of April 20th, okay, we've got Monday through Friday. Maybe you work one of these days and maybe you need to do a Saturday or a Sunday or something like that. But I just did a normal Monday through Friday. For some of us, it's going to be easiest to stick to our normal routine. So I do a little bit of each class each day, kind of like a Monday, Friday schedule. All right, so maybe Monday I do a little bit of Algebra 2, a little bit of my science, a little bit of my history and English, right? And maybe that's just what you do every day. Okay, you just want to chunk it out little by little. For others of us, another option is I'm going to do all of my Algebra 2 for the week on Monday. I'm going to do all of my science on Tuesday, right? Whatever it may look like. But this is another option. But either way, what you're doing here is on this day, I'm going to complete these assignments to help you kind of chunk things out so that it's not such a big, overwhelming thing. We understand you have all your different classes and that it's going to be a little overwhelming at first trying to stay on top of things. But this is just a really great example of ways that you can break things down to hopefully help you achieve things in a little bit more manageable way. So one option, do one class a day. So like I'm going to do everything for Algebra 2 for the whole week on one of these days. Another option is maybe you just do a small piece of each class each day. Again, it's up to you. This is just a suggestion I wanted to give you as we head into virtual learning. Of a way that you can kind of manage this, because I know that's something that you guys have been saying has been a concern. I'm just really overwhelmed. This can be a way to kind of help you with that. Okay. So some different ways that you can get a hold of me. Obviously, you can remind, email, or GChat me. I will get back to you as soon as I can with those options. But the other option that you can get a hold of me right away is through my office hours, which are on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 until noon. Okay, you can either GChat me or whatever it is during those times, and I'll get back to you right away. Or you can use this link right here and right here to join my Google Hangout that will directly connect you to me to be able to ask any specific questions that you have right away. And so that's just another option for you. It's something I haven't done these past few weeks, but is something going forward I will be doing. Okay. So if you need to get a hold of me, those are your options there. Again, email, remind, GChat, I'll get back to you as soon as what I can. Going ahead and looking at our assignments for this week, I want to kind of talk through the expectations going forward. So, general layout for the next 8 weeks. Okay, I'm going to do my very best to keep it consistent so that it's not anything new or out of left field for you guys. It will hopefully stay consistent for you guys. So, general layout for each week, we'll have an intro day. We'll have instructional videos or just maybe one video to help you through in learning the skill that you're learning for that week. I will be making these and I will do my best to make them concise and as clear as what I possibly can. Again, make sure you are listening to these videos. If you are not listening, you are not learning, and it's going to be really hard. So please make sure you're listening and don't have any other distractions like your phone or music playing like that. You'll have some practice problems. We're going to be using a new resource called Delta Math. And so that's most likely where you'll see your practice problems assigned. And then at the end of the week or at any point during the week when you are ready, after you've done the practice, again, to show mastery. Normally what we would do is in a classroom, you would show me mastery by taking a formative assessment. We can't really do that virtually. And so what we have here is a Google form to show me mastery of the learning target. And your goal through this Google form is to get 100%. Okay, that's your goal on those quizzes. So the practice is to help you build that skill. And then when you feel ready and confident, you'll take the Google form over that question, over that learning target to show me, hey, I've mastered this, I've got this learning target. Let's say you don't get 100% on this Google form. It's not over, okay? Just like in class, we have other formative assessment opportunities. I'll create other Google Forms to help you show me mastery. So if you don't get it on the first try, that's okay. I will have another Google Form for you probably the following week that's available for you to show me mastery. Okay, but that's the general layout of our week. So let's take a look at what we have specifically for this week. Monday, you're obviously watching the video. We've got this short check-in. This is your way of doing attendance for me and asking any questions or letting me know if you need anything. Intro to Delta Math, please make sure you watch this video. It talks you through how to log in, how to complete the assignments, how to submit your answers, and then also some really cool resources available to you in Delta Math to help you when you are stuck. Okay, so please make sure you watch that video and sign up using this teacher code right here. Now, what we have this week, our skill is learning how to solve a radical equation, okay? We have 3 different ways you can solve. 1 radical, 2 radicals, and then using the FOIL and box method, okay? I have made a video for each one of these methods to hopefully help you. I would highly suggest taking notes, again, making sure you are listening to the videos, okay? Now, I wanted to provide as many resources for you as what I could, so I made optional quizzes for you guys. So these quizzes, there are only 3 questions. These are optional for you. And what they are is they're 3 problems specific to the skill that you learned that day, okay? Now, most of us did these last week. And if that's the case, so if you read here in step 5, if you did your work last week on the quizzes here and you showed mastery, meaning you were getting 100% on these quizzes, feel free to go ahead and skip these and move right to Friday, okay, with the Delta Math practice problems, okay? But what I really want to make sure we all do is we all watch these short videos and take notes on them. And then you have the choice. If you want to do these quizzes for practice, go right ahead. Otherwise, you must complete, right? Part of your assignments that you must complete is this Delta Math practice problems. And it's only 8 short practice problems assigned to you, okay? And then when you're ready and you've shown mastery and you feel confident, you can show me that you've mastered this learning target by completing this Google form. So again, quizzes are optional, okay? They are just extra practice for you to help you learn the skills. Please make sure you watch these videos and you take notes on them. Lined sheet of paper, blank sheet of paper, doesn't matter. And then I would start keeping a folder together of all of your math stuff, okay? Watch those short videos and then complete this practice. And when you're ready to show me mastery, complete this Google form. So that's what we have for this week. Again, lots of resources available to you. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. I miss you guys. I hope you are staying safe. And let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. But that's what we've got for this week and the weeks going forward. Again, please let me know if you have any questions. But good luck, and I hope you are doing well. All right, bye, guys.